Now this will be on the car, but for the demonstration purposes it's on the bench, so just make note of that. So first of all, you pop the top glass by putting this flat-ended screwdriver in between the backing plate of the glass and the actuator. You just pop around like so. Oh, get in there somehow. There we go. As you can see, you got all those plastic fingers around there which sit on the actuator there, and you're just popping that off. That's the first thing. Take the 4 screws out of the actuator, like so. Actuator will just pop up. Just pull out the plug, just like so. Okay, that'll just pop back in. Just pop this plug that sits in the indicator lens. We have to then take out these screws off the backing plate. There's 5, so just zip those ones up. You don't have to take those ones out. In there, just, and there's 3 more here. Now this one here, you will need to get into here and hold down pretty hard to unscrew that last one. So that'll come out. 1, 2, and 3, and the other 2 here, just zip them up. So the idea is we take the frame out, but before we do that, we take out this C-clip. It's just there. Just grab a pair of pliers and pull it off. So after that, all you need to do is slide out the arms. Remember, this will be on the car, so it'll be a little bit different. And you have your 2 arm covers. You have a bottom and a top. So we need to take this one off here where the loom goes down. Just pop that off like so. That'll just pop off. And just take that flat arm cover off. That will then give you plenty of access in there. Now the reason we're doing that is because this plug here has to go through the arm. So there we go, that's the whole frame. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take these off as a demonstration and put them back on for you to show you how to put them on. So it's quite simple really. All you're doing really is putting pressure on it. It just comes off like that. And to put them back on, you just put pressure on there like so, and you put them back on. It's as simple as that. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So if they've come off, all you need to do is do what I'm doing now to put them back on. I'll just show you again. On and off, it's that simple. And you can put more than one if you feel you need more tension, but one should be enough. So to put that back on, you basically do in reverse to what we've just done.